Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing well in lockdown period. So today I am going to show you how to create the ledger entries against the customer loan. So have a look. From this ledger you can create multiple ledger group and ledger. And from the add to favorite, whatever you have created, you can add or remove the list of ledgers from here. So I have added this cash, commission paid, commission received, document charges. So after that I will search one loan which I have created against the customer. So now you can see I have created one loan. So from the fee and penalty details, we can create a ledger entry from here. So suppose registration charges, the customer paid, let's take 200 rupees and just add this. So we have saved this entry successfully. Now from the accounting journal entry, now you can select the receipt and we received cash 200 for registration charges 200. So here we can write narration, registration fee from customer and just save this entry. So we have saved this entry successfully. So we have created loan against this customer and we have created one entry against this loan account. So from the business summary, account statement, and just select the registration charges and refresh here. And you can see I have created one entry against the customer from his loan account and journal entries we have created. And you can select the cash and just refresh. And now you can see we have received 200 rupees cash. So this type we can create the journal entries against the customer loan account in Jainam Software. So thank you for watching this video and you can subscribe our channel from YouTube and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.